Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to cover custom payment plans. Custom payment plans function similarly to regular payment plans, however are not stored in the system to be reused. To begin, navigate to a learner's enrollment and scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see that there are no tuition fees applied yet. I'm going to update the finance details via this pencil icon. I'm going to pretend the tuition fee is $1,000 and select Custom Payment Plan from the drop-down, and then submit the page. We'll be taken back to the enrollment page. Scroll down again and choose Add Installments. You can now add one or more payments via the Add Payment button. As you can see, there are amount and payment due date fields next to each line item. You can remove line items via the red Delete button on the right. The form will dynamically update and let you know if you're above or under the tuition fee amount. If you're above, you can click the Approve button to update the tuition fee to the total line item amount. You can also load an existing payment plan to pre-fill this form with installments by selecting the plan from the drop-down and choosing Load. This is useful if you wish to use an existing payment plan but make some minor adjustments. If you make a mistake, pressing Reset will reload the plan. Finally, you can choose Add an item to add any additional items from your items list. Press Update to save your changes. In summary, this video has explained custom payment plans and how to use them. The following video will explain discounts.